Hi friends, welcome back to another edition of Friday Finance, and this is Jaspreet Sethi here from Final Ratio. This week we are going to talk about memberships and subscriptions. Yes, memberships and subscriptions are very important, are very much required for whichever line of business you are in. But the thing is, we sign up to so many of those paid subscriptions, paid memberships, that we forget that we have them, and the annual renewal take place on our credit card. Yes, now is the right time at the end of the year. Please go through all those subscriptions which you want and which you don't want. Cancel them right in time so that unnecessarily charges are not there. And also it is very important that you keep a track of those so that you can claim VAT on them. If they are for the business, if they are for the pleasure, you can't claim them. And if they are definitely for business, then put them in, because corporate tax is also coming in next 30 days. So my friend, till next week, this is Jaspreet Sethi here. Be wary of those unused, unrequired warranties and subscriptions and memberships. Take care.